Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone Contacts application, which is located in your Google folder. Now, before I go through the import process, I'm going to quickly mention that right now you can see there is a bunch of contacts right here, and these contacts are being displayed from the Google account that is signed in on the device. There is only one account. Now, the reason I'm mentioning that is because once we go into Fix and Manage, and then Manage SIM, which is the way that we import our contacts, you can see that the device will automatically try to import contacts to the Google account. This is done by default, so if you have a Google account, it will always choose that, and if you don't have any kind of Google account, this will not actually show up here. So you won't have this drop-down. The device will automatically import contacts to the second option, which is the device. Now, because for me most of these contacts exist on the Google account, they are now grayed out and deselected, so I cannot select them myself, as this would create a duplicate contact, and the application is just stopping me from doing so. Now, if I change it to the device, you can see that all these contacts become selected, and I can deselect ones that I might not want, as none of these contacts exist on the device itself. Now, anyway, from here, you can click on Import. Now, for some reason, this device has this stupid idea of asking you if you want to delete these contacts. I strongly suggest against this, as these contacts never get in your way, so there's no reason for you to delete them. And you always have a backup copy of all your contacts on your SIM card if there is ever the need for it. So I will be selecting Keep. From here, we can navigate back to Contacts, and depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might need to switch the display location. Like I mentioned before, right now the phone is displaying contacts from the Google account, but I did import my contacts to the device. So that's what I'm going to be selecting, and you can see the imported contacts right over here. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.